Now in the last chapter we looked at a bar counter. This time we're going to look at a circle counter. So I'm going to enable the Visual Builder on the home page here. And I'm going to scroll down towards the bottom here, and I'm going to insert, I'm going to insert a bar counter just before the contactors form. So what I'll do is I'll go here, create a new section, just use a regular section, accept the default here, and this time I'm going to insert a circle counter. So again, I can change the name or change the title. So customers who recommend us, let's say 95%, be something like that. I can go and change the elements if I want to, so you can have the percentage on or off. You can add links, backgrounds, and all the usual. Over here we can go and adjust the circle itself, so you can have a different background color if you want to, or you can change the circle color. So let's change the circle color. So we'll go for circle color there, and bar background color there. So I'll click here to put a bar background color there. If we come down, there's various other things we can do. So we can change the circle color opacity if we want to. We can go and change the formatting for the text and the title text and the numbers. We can change the sizing and the spacing, change the borders. So all the usual things. You know, you can add an animation effect if you want. So I'll put a fade animation in there. If we come down here, there's various other things we can do, like change the duration of the animation, add a delay if you want to. So all of these can be changed if you want to. But in this case, I'll just simply leave it like so and click here. Now at the moment I've just got one. Maybe it would be nice to have three there. So what I'll do is I'll go here and change the column structure. So I'll have three. So there's the first one there. I'll use the usual technique of just duplicating this rather than creating two more. So if I go here and I'll click once, and I'll do the same again, I click again. So I've now got three stacked on top of each other. So I'll just drag these over here. And I'll drag this one over here. So at the moment, obviously, they're identical. So what I need to do is change the numbers and the text down here. So this one here, I want to go and change this. So I click here. Change the title. So this is customers who'd rate our villas as 5-star. Let's put, I don't know, 87% there. So click on OK to save the changes. Then finally with this one over here again, we'll go and click here. We'll change the text to customers who use us more than once, and we'll set this at 65%. And there we go. So again, I'll just go and save my changes. And if I exit the Visual Builder, now when I scroll down, you've got all the usual effects here. And there we are. Notice that faded in, and of course it's animated, so it's nice and visual. So that's how you use the circle counter. Nice and visual, very easy to use.